guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Brittany. How you doing? Welcome to my channel. So today we're filming a super exciting video. We're going to be doing a huge Ulta Gratis haul. Now I did pick a couple things up with my own money, but it's only a few of the items that were like on sale at Ulta. But most of it, like I said, is going to be gratis. I have this huge bag of gratis to show you guys. It's going to be some new stuff that's coming out at Ulta and also just some original products that Ulta already carries. And so yeah, we have lots of things to get through. So if you want to see this haul, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay guys, so first I'm going to start off by showing you guys the stuff that I purchased myself. So Ulta, for 21 Days of Beauty, they had their MAC Fix Plus half off, and so I had to take advantage of it because I love this stuff. So I went ahead and bought 2 of these. They were on sale for I think $13, and they're usually like $28, I believe. And so yeah, it was a really good deal. I got one for myself and then one for Christian's mom because she told me to pick her one up as well, and they sold out so fast. It was crazy, guys. So I had to stock up on this because my MAC Fix Plus that I have right now is running really low, and so I really needed to stock up. It does last me a while just because I only use it for my eyeshadows and like to intensify highlights and stuff like that. So I don't really use it as a setting spray, so one will last me like years literally. But sometimes I do use it to set my face if I'm out of my Urban Decay setting spray, but usually I like to just use this to intensify any eyeshadows and stuff like that. Okay, and so the last thing that I bought myself was a product that I bought because it was on sale. This is the One Heck of a Blot primer from Soap & Glory. I believe that's what their brand is called. Yeah, Soap & Glory. We have this at Ulta, and all their like makeup related items are on clearance right now. And it's kind of weird because they're on clearance in the store, but online they're not on clearance. So maybe it's just my Ulta that's getting rid of the makeup products. I have no idea, but I got this for $7 and it's usually around $14, so it was half off. And I've heard really good things from Casey Holmes here on YouTube and also Mamma Mia Makeup at this being good at controlling oil and helping camouflage your pores. And so I really wanted to try it out. It has really cute packaging. It kind of reminds me of Benefit with the like light pink color, and it looks super cute. So I'm really excited to try this out. Okay, so now moving on to my gratis bag right here. It's super huge and filled to the rim. If you don't know what gratis is, basically it's free product that the company you work for provides for you, so you can try out the products and actually know what you're talking about when you talk to customers, and you just have like your own experience with the products there, so you have a better time teaching it to other people, if you know what I'm saying. And so yeah, I'm super blessed. I love the fact that Ulta does this. If you don't know, I work at Ulta obviously. And so yeah, let's go ahead and get into this bag. Okay guys, I was super excited to see this in my gratis bag just because we have Nars at our location, but it's a really small tower and all we carry is the blush and the bronzer, and we don't have any of the face products or the lips or anything like that. It's just strictly the blush and the bronzer. And so when I saw this, I was so surprised. And this is the Nars Power Matte Lip Pigment in the color Get It On. And I've really been wanting to try these lips out. I heard really good things. I've swatched them in other Ultas before, and I did notice that the applicator is kind of on the harder, pointier side, and I was kind of iffy about them. And so we got this color right here, and it's actually what I'm wearing on my lips right now. It's like a beautiful nude. I feel like I'm gonna be wearing this a lot this month just because I love the color and I love to do like dramatic eyes, and so I'm always usually wearing a nude lip. And so like I said, the applicator was kind of hard and pointy. Here, let me show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Hopefully you guys can see. As you can see, it's just like a weird applicator, and so I thought I wasn't gonna like it, but I actually love this applicator just because you don't have to use a lip liner because it has that nice sharp point, and so it makes it super easy just to line your lips first and then fill them in. And so far for my first impressions, this is really cool, and I can't wait to try it out some more. I feel like I already want to buy some other colors, and right now if you have the app, Nars is 5 times the points right now, so I really want to buy some more colors just because I love this one so much, and the packaging is so beautiful. Nars packaging is always really amazing, and so yeah, we got that. So the next thing we got is a skincare product. This is the Perricone MD Cold Plasma Plus Face. That's what the packaging looks like. And at first I was like, what the heck is cold plasma? So I went ahead and did some research after we had got this. And this baby's $149. And we got it for free. I was so shocked by that fact about it. But also this is supposed to be like an anti-aging kind of firming. It's supposed to really help with your skin. It said that it like morphs to like what your skin needs and it helps create that on your face. If that makes any sense, I suck at explaining things. But yeah, basically it's supposed to be really, really good. It had lots of good reviews and a lot of people reviewed it. And so I'm really interested in trying it out. At first I thought it would be more like a moisturizer, but you use it before your moisturizer and then you use your moisturizer after. But some people in the reviews were saying that they use it as their moisturizer, so I have no idea. I have to try it out and see. Let's see what it looks like. It does kind of look like a moisturizer. It's just like a white or like an off-white cream product. And Christian uses their moisturizer and he loves it. It's pretty pricey as well, but it's not as pricey as this. But he said it's the only moisturizer he could use and it won't break him out. And so I'm really interested in trying out some of their products. So we got that. Okay, so next up we got this Buxom Lash Mascara, and what's it say? It says intense volume. I've never tried their mascara before. The only thing I've really tried from Buxom is their lip glosses and some of their eyeshadows. So I'm really interested in trying this out. It's just a regular black mascara. Okay, so the next thing that we got is another moisturizer. This is the Clarins Extra Firming Wrinkle Control Firming Day Cream for all skin types. This is what it looks like. It has like rose gold on the lid. It looks super cute. And here is what the actual packaging looks like. It's concealed in plastic and everything. It looks so beautiful. It's like a light pink color. And then it has rose gold on the lid. I cannot wait to try this. I've been really into trying different moisturizers just because I've been using the same Ole Henriksen Sheer Transformation Moisturizer because it's the only one that's been working for me. But I've been venturing out and trying different moisturizers, so I'm really excited to try this one, especially because it's firming, and I don't think I've ever tried like a firming moisturizer. And then last but not least from Clarins, we also got this little keychain or bracelet. It is so cute. It's in that rose gold color. Let's go ahead and open this. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry if you guys could hear planes. I feel like so many are flying by right now. But that is what the little keychain looks like. Super cute. I think it is a bracelet, but I probably will just put it on my keys because it's so cute. Okay, so we got another moisturizer and it did come with a card as well. This is the Miracle Cream from the brand Better Skin. And this is a newer line to Ulta, and so I'm guessing that's why they want us to try it. And yeah, I'm super excited. This is a mini size though, it's not a full size. Yeah, it says Deluxe Traveler, so I could probably take this traveling with me. And then it says Better Skin Miracle Cream. It retails for $34 in the 2 ounce. And yeah, so I'm really excited to try this one out as well. I'm just gonna leave it in this packaging because I probably will take it traveling with me. Okay, so we got another mascara, which I'm super excited about because check out this packaging. It is so cute. So this is from the Tarte Mermaid collection, and at first I thought this was going to be a Sephora exclusive, but then we ended up getting it online, and now we have it in stores, which is super cool. I really want the eyeshadow palette. It looks so beautiful, and I think $42 is a like all right price for an eyeshadow palette, so I might pick that up. I'm not sure yet because I have so many eyeshadow palettes right now. But this is their Lights Camera Lashes mascara, so it's their most popular mascara, I believe. I have actually never tried this one, so I'm super excited to try it out and see why everybody loves it. But this packaging is just to die for. So cute. I love the packaging of pretty much the whole collection. It's just so adorable. I got kind of tired of the mermaid or like the unicorn stuff, but I do feel like their eyeshadow palette is pretty wearable for it being a mermaid, and so I don't know, I really want to pick it up. Okay, so the next thing we got is from Algenist. This is the Complete Eye Renewal Balm, so it's just an eye balm. And so yeah, really excited to try this. I haven't tried anything from Algenist. So Smashbox has repackaged their primers, and so we got sent one of the primers. This is the Smashbox, the original photo finish primer. It's their most like oldest, most popular one. I personally don't use it on myself, but I do have a lot of minis right now, and I like to use it on other people when I do other people's makeup, just because it's kind of your basic primer. And now I have a full size, and so I'm probably just gonna put this in my makeup kit to use on other people. But they changed the packaging into this chrome looking packaging, and before it was just clear. But I do feel like it's gonna be hard to tell when you're almost done with this one, just because you can't see through it. But yeah, so excited to have a full size. Oh, that's so cool. And then inside came a little sample of their foundation. And so they do give us some men's gratis as well every now and then, just because men can work at Ulta as well. But usually I just give all the men's stuff to Christian, and he really enjoys getting his little goodies as well. And so we have a new line at Ulta from David Beckham, and it's basically like skincare, body. I don't know if there's hair in it, but it's really, really fragranced. And so this is what it looks like. It's called House 99 by David Beckham. And so they gave us this polished up body and hair wash, because I guess guys like to use an all-in-one product. Christian's not really like that. I feel like he really takes time into his skincare and everything. I'm so sorry if you could hear Hudson's bell. He's kind of hyper right now, and he's like been running around. But yeah, this is a kind of deluxe sample of this, and so it smells so good, guys. Like I said, it's very heavily fragranced. It smells just like cologne, and Christian already told me he really likes the smell, so I cannot wait for him to use this because it just smells so good. And then they also sent us from the same line this David Beckham face moisturizer. Now, he already uses his Perricone MD moisturizer that I mentioned, and he probably won't ever use this on his face, just because, like I said, his line is basically fragrance the heck out. Like, it's so fragrant, so I feel like he's too sensitive to use this on his face. He'll probably break out, but he does wear it on his neck. He put it on his neck the other day, and it just smells so good. So he probably could use it just kind of like a layer for his cologne, like just put this on his neck and his arms and then spray his cologne on top, just to layer everything up. And so yeah, they sent us a full size of that. And their packaging is really cute. It's just very basic black and white packaging. Okay, so here we have another product from Algenist. This is the Recharged Night Pressed Serum. Oh, that's crazy. It's like in a little pot, but it's a serum. I've never seen a serum in this kind of container. Oh, it looks thick. It feels like a balm. That is so weird. It literally looks like a solid, and it feels like a balm. That's interesting. I'm gonna have to look that up. Okay, we got a new line at Ulta. It's called Kopari. It's been there for a little bit now, and it's basically their coconut line. And so they sent us this card, and then they also sent us the Kopari Coconut Melt. It says the ultimate multitasking moisturizer, so it's a coconut moisturizer. It says melt a dollop in your hands and coconut your bod from head to toe. Interesting. And then also from Kopari, another sample size of a coconut face cream. I feel like we got a lot of skincare just because there's a lot of new skincare brands at Ulta. Okay, so we also got this Triology rosehip oil. I've never tried rosehip oil, but I heard it's really good for your skin. So it comes in like a matte black packaging, and it's a little dropper. Let's smell it. I'll probably use this at night. Smells like nuts or something. Probably smells like rosehip, but I've never smelled that before, so I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm really interested in trying this out. I love my oils. Ooh, next up, I'm super excited to try this out. Okay, so this is from Origins. It's their Checks and Balance Frothy Face Wash. And the reason I'm really excited about this is because I've been using the same freaking face wash for a very, very long time now. I've repurchased it like 3 times, and it lasts me a long, long time. And it's the Shiseido Ibuki Gentle Cleanser. But I haven't tried a new cleanser in forever, so I'm super excited about this. And it is a full size as well. It's a 5 fluid ounce. And so yeah, I cannot wait to try this. It smells good. Oh, speaking of Shiseido, we did get something from them. This is a Shiseido Essential Energy Moisturizing Cream, and it's a little mini size, and I'm guessing it's just a regular like moisturizer. But this is what the packaging looks like. I wonder why it says Energy Moisturizing Cream. Like, does it have caffeine or something? I don't know. Ooh, it smells good. Okay guys, so only 2 more products left and then we'll be finished. This is another thing from Algenist. This is the Alleviate Advanced Retinol Serum. Ooh, I love me some retinol. So it's just a retinol serum and it says vegan retinol. So I guess vegan people could use this as well. And it's kind of like a deluxe sample. And it comes with like a little pump. So I cannot wait to try this. I love retinol. Anything that's going to help with like cell turnover and scarring and stuff, I'm all about. Last but not least, Smashbox has came out with a new mascara. This is called the Super Fanned Out Mascara. And so basically it's supposed to be very like combing through the lash, like fanned out, hence the name Fan Out Mascara. And so we got that. This is what the packaging looks like. It's just black and red. And I believe the mascara is red. Let's see. Yeah, that's what it looks like. And we got it in the color black. I'm really interested to try it out just because the Smashbox vendor was really hyping it up and she said she really liked it. But yeah, we always get like so much mascaras for gratis. It's crazy, but I guess they want us to try out all the new mascaras, so they always give us a whole bunch. Okay, so I'm gonna hold Hudson because he's being really loud. Do you guys like his little scarf that I made him? It's made out of like one of my t-shirts. But anyways, that's gonna be, ow, he's biting me. Ah! Stop! Stop your shit. Stop. Okay, I'm gonna put you down, but you better be good. Ugh. Stay. And he didn't stay. Okay. Hudson, stop making noise! Stop making noise! Stop making noise! I'll play with you here in a second. Just let me finish this video. Okay guys, so that's gonna be everything for this Ulta Gratis haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it the thumbs up so I can know to keep doing these if you do enjoy them. If you have any questions about any of these products or what's coming out on Ulta, just let me know by commenting it down below. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, my name is BritanyRaquell. Welcome to my channel. Hopefully you guys will subscribe. If you do like watching Ulta hauls, I do a lot of them on my channel because for one, I love Ulta stuff and I love buying makeup. And for two, I do get gratis pretty often and I love to show you guys what I got. Not to show off or anything, but just to inform you about the new stuff that's coming out and just to get excited with you guys. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. I love you guys and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!